Hey guys, it's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. It's Tuesday the 12th. It is 47 degrees and sunny out. It's pretty gorgeous actually. And I am going to the Goodwill Menomonee Falls to see what I can find for every day and Christmas to upcycle for our shop. Come along. Starting off in the art section today, I found this cute dogwood canvas and I got it for half off, so that one was 10. This one is already displayed in my shop and it was $7.50 on sale. This one I'm going to put away until after Christmas. This one was also $19.99 and half off. This I cleaned up and put some transfers on. I have to take a picture of it still. This I'm buying for inspiration for make and takes for spring. How cute is this? And pretty easy to make, I think. I just find some little bottles, use some wire. I bought it because if I take a picture, I know I'll lose the picture in all my pictures. Same thing with this snowman. I want to make some of these after Christmas. These two canvases were $7 each, I think, and originally like 70 at Kirkland's. So I bought this. This I thought was so funny. Parents escape to the bathroom. This we're going to make over by putting some decoupage or transfers on it. These are really well-made lampshades, and with the right lamp, they're going to look really high-end. These need a good clean, and then I will match them up to some lamps. I grabbed this baby piñata out of the craft section. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It was 50 cents. I will put it in my summer collection. I thought this witch was really unique and only a few bucks, so I put her away for next fall. And this was a yellow tag, so I put this away for fall too. Cute. These little buoys are from World Market originally, but they'll look really cute on a summer display. So I'll put those in my off-season storage until we need them next year. I did not buy these guys, but I did put them together. The bullfighter, I thought this was pretty funny. I'm not sure. Something for everybody. Anybody need a torso for a mannequin? I do not, so I'm putting this guy back, but you just don't know what you're going to find. These were originally from World Market. I think they are really cute and staged up. I think they'll sell fast. This, I plan to remove the candle holders and add greenery, so stay tuned for that. This little chick is super unique and cute, so I'll put him away until spring. I'm pretty sure I sold this in my shop, I should have cleaned the bottom better, but somebody must have got tired of it and donated it. Follow your heart. I'll put this away for spring. And how cute is this vintage mouse? He's in such good shape. This beautiful chalice sold yesterday after somebody, I believe, saw my video on how I staged it. There's definitely some serious snowman collectors out there, so I picked this one up and I expect him to find a home fast. Do you put pieces together? These two are friends, so I made sure that we put them back together so they can go home together. This little pottery pitcher is a pretty good knockoff because I thought it was vintage, but it's not. I think it might be from Menards. I'm not even sure. But it didn't have a price and my cart was full, so I put it back. I thought this was a really pretty, interesting vase, but I left it for someone else. We had a busy week this week. We have 5 new colors from DIY of clay paint, and one even matched my customer Vicky's car. This is called Electrify. Check them out. This is a great time to stock up on paint because Big Top is also 20% off, and then it ends tomorrow, and DIY, as you know, never goes on sale. So get in there and stock up on your Big Top. I also made a video where I showed you 5 pieces of furniture that I painted with these new colors. So if you haven't seen that, please check it out. I think it will really give you an idea of how vibrant and fun these new colors really are. This cart is overflowing and I am headed toward the checkout. I ended up spending $98 and I am really excited about my finds. What do you think about it this week? Make sure you make some time this week to come in and see us because some of our unique creations and finds are really going fast. And then make time to just paint it like these gals did in class yesterday. Have a great day.